future of Infiniti's design has been revealed at the Pebble Beach Concours d'Elegance through the QX Monograph concept. This study not only offers a preview of the next generation QX80, but also showcases the brand's upcoming design language direction. The Infiniti QX Monograph's bold styling starts up front, with a forward-leaning grille boasting chevron-style diagonal bars pointing upward to the company's new three-dimensional Infinite Road badge. Mounted high on the prow of the SUV, the grille appears between trendy, low-mounted headlight units nestled in bumper corner vents. Running along the leading edge of the hood, including the top of the grille, is a set of piano key daytime running lights that perform an approach animation that Infiniti says is inspired by a bird taking flight. The piano keys make yet another appearance on the rear, where a full-width LED bar appears under the backlight. Look closely and you'll see that the chunky light elements are actually made up of little horizontal light strips that remind us a bit of a synthwave sunset illustration. As on the new QX60, the Monograph features a floating roof with a beveled accent running along the rear quarter window. The squinting lighting elements and double-arch grille draw clear links to other modern Infinitis, but the QX Monograph is more angular. Body surfaces appear simply adorned, but there are complex character lines such as the hood's prominent center rib, as well as an angled surface appearing along the beltline that picks up where the hood's clamshell leaves off. There's a functional front fender vent with mesh inspired by the longitudinal grain of bamboo, providing a nature-inspired link to the car's Japanese heritage. Those surface accents are more obvious when viewing the QX Monograph in varying lighting. Infiniti painted the big SUV in a warm silver hue called a cane. The 6-layer paintwork is inspired by the transitioning colors of a sunset, and the concept indeed appears pink, light purple, and even bluish gray depending on the light. Red accents on the wheel spokes and monograph badging add to the twilight motif. The QX Monograph's big proportions and squared-off roofline provide the most obvious links to the existing QX80, but the concept is far more modern and cohesively designed. Of course, it will take more than styling to bring the dated QX80 up to snuff, compared to the cutting-edge Cadillac Escalade and MCM-chic Lincoln Navigator. So here's hoping Infiniti has a high-tech power plant and impressive cabin comfort in store for its flagship SUV. As for when we'll see a new QX80 in showrooms, Infiniti's Monograph concepts tend to arrive about a year before their production variants. Plan on seeing a new QX80 in time for the 2025 model year then. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and we hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and feedback. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.